Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9631PA. Only 12,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 4-wheel drive control. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Compass, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.